Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do your videos on Beats and CapCut. So here I've already added some photo and also audio in it, and if you play it, so the video doesn't on Beats yet, and I'm going to make it on Beats. So what you guys can do is click on the sound or on the audio and then go to CapCut, and here you can either add beats one by one or you can just auto generate so that the CapCut will match or will mark the beats automatically. I'm going to just use the auto generate. You can choose whether you want to use beat one. So I'm going to just choose beat one and then click on the check icon, and after that just align your photo with the beats. So you can see the mark, the yellow mark in the audio. You can just trim the photo to match into the match cut of the audio. I'm going to go like so it already match. Okay, I'm going to adjust it like so. Oops. Okay, it's already. I'm going to, and let's see the result. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can do your videos on Beat and CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment and subscribe. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.